Okay, hi traders. So this is a video analysis on pound USD. So let's start off on the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, you'll notice that for now we are actually going on the downtrend really. Okay. Now reason being is because we have actually broken this level here. Okay, this level has actually been broken already. So it has broken, retested, and then for the past 4 days, it has actually been rejected. Now, what is more interesting about this rejection is if you were to go down to the H4 and you draw a trend line across, okay, something like this, you will notice that the price has actually broken out the trend line, retest, and then get rejected again. Okay, so I'm expecting more downside for it. So how are we going to trade for pound USD? So let's go back to the daily first. So for the pound USD on the daily time frame, we are actually having some sort of a descending channel. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so this is what I'm actually viewing for pound USD. So right now we should be expecting one more wave down here, then maybe some sort of still on the downside. So I wouldn't want to trade the upside of it. Okay, no trading for this upside because it's a descending channel. All right. What I'll be expecting is trade to be always a sell. Go on the seller side of it. All right. So how are we going to trade this area? Let's go up to H4. So previously I told you about this trend line. So this trend line that has actually been broken already and retested. Now we are seeing this move here. Okay, and it's actually trading now right now below the 200 MA. Okay, and for the past on the Friday, the past few hours, it says this 200 MA has actually held very nicely. And if the price continue to hold below the 200 MA, we should be expecting the downside of for pound USD very soon. Okay, now so let's go back to the 4 hourly. So how am I going to trade this move here? One way is maybe, okay, you might be able to wait for a correction, maybe. Okay, I'm not expecting this move here, but if the market does move it this way, then it's a better choice for us to do the sell because the risk to reward will be even higher. Okay, so what I'll be expecting is maybe one more upside to test this area here. Okay, this area. Okay, so one more test to test this area before we see the next leg downwards. Okay, so this might be one of the move. Okay, if the move doesn't happen and the 200 MA is held nicely, let's go on down to the H1. I'll be expecting this level here, this level to be broken first. So if you go up to the H4, I'll be expecting something like this, then continuation. Okay, so take note of these two scenarios for pound USD. For now, I'm favoring this scenario, um, because of the 200 MA is actually held very nicely for the past the 1 hour time frame has actually held it very nicely too. So I'm expecting this move here, but I'll be waiting for this breakout, retest, and continuation for downside. Any upside, then look out for the trade around this area here, the box, the resistance that I'm talking about. Okay, so take note of this area for any rejection downwards. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna trade for pound USD at least for next week, and hopefully you'll be able to make some pips for pound USD. Okay, so thank you very much, and as always, do follow me on TradingView. Like and share this video analysis with all your friends. Thank you.